Hello, dear friends and subscribers of sayitcorrectly.org. In our class last time, we considered or we analyzed there be. And we spoke about nouns, and we mentioned the fact that there were two kinds of nouns. Countable nouns, the ones that you can count, and I said 1 chair, 2 chairs, 3 chairs, or those uncountable nouns are the ones that you cannot count. Okay? And we did it in declarative, and we did the present, and we did the past, and we did the future. Now, uncountable nouns, for example, we have sugar. Why? You do not count grains of sugar. You count kilograms of sugar, or pounds of sugar, or spoons of sugar. So that's why we call it uncountable, because it's like a mass. Bread, we can count loaves of bread. We can count slices of bread. You can count water, glasses of water, pitchers of water, wine, bottles of wine, money. You can count bills. Now, in the present, in the past, and in the future, you should use a quantifier, such as some. You can say then, there is some sugar in the bowl. There is some bread on the plate. There is some water in the pitcher. There is some wine in the cellar, and there is some money in the bank. The quantifiers, you can use different ones. You can say there is a lot of sugar in the bowl, or you can say there is a lot of bread on the plate, or there is a lot of water in the pitcher, etc. You can also say there is little sugar in the bowl. There is little bread on the plate. There is little water in the pitcher. Or you can say there is a little bit of sugar in the bowl, and there is a little bit of wine in the cellar. Or there is too much money in the bank. Now, in the past tense, there was some sugar in the bowl. There was a lot of bread on the plate, or there was little water in the pitcher, or there was a little bit of wine in the cellar, or there was too much money in the bank. In the future, there will be some sugar in the bowl, there will be a lot of bread on the plate, there will be little water in the pitcher, etc. Now, how to form negations? How to form negative sentences with the word no. There is no sugar in the bowl. There is no bread on the plate. There is no water in the pitcher. There is no wine in the cellar. And there is no money in the bank. So you can do negations or negative sentences with no also in the past and in the future. For example, you can say, there was no sugar in the bowl. There was no bread on the plate. There was no water in the pitcher, and so on. In the future, there will be no sugar in the bowl. There will be no wine in the cellar. There will be no money in the bank. But take a look at this. This is even more strange. There isn't any sugar in the bowl. There isn't any bread on the plate. Or in the past, there wasn't any water in the pitcher. There wasn't any wine in the cellar. Or in the future, there won't be any sugar in the bowl. You see, notice, you have to use the negative here, any. There won't be any money in the bank. Okay? Now, to form interrogatives or questions with there be, we have to place the verb before there, and we say, is there any sugar in the bowl? Is there any bread on the plate? Is there any wine in the cellar? Etc. Now, in the past, you can do the same. You have to place was before there, and you can ask the questions, was there any water in the pitcher? Was there any wine in the cellar? Or was there any money in the bank? And remember, these are interrogatives. We can form questions in the future placing will before there. And we can say, will there be any sugar in the bowl? Will there be any bread on the plate? Or will there be any money in the bank? Well, this is the end of there be and how to use it with countable and uncountable nouns. If you like the way we presented this information, give us a like on the video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do so, please. And then we'll see you next time. We have some more videos for you here that will be very constructive and can help you to pronounce and learn more English correctly. Bye.